This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you have a VEVA air purifier, then it might be time that you replace something that looks like this to something that looks like this. And if that's your case, then check this out. This is going to be the Pro HEPA Mini UV Air Purifier replacement from VEVA. Since I do have a VEVA air purifier, I decided to stick with its replacement filters. That way I know that it is the exact size that I need, and it's supposed to function the way that the manufacturer intended my air purifier to function. So when things start getting dirty, you're definitely gonna want to clean them out or vacuum them out, but at a certain point, like, it's just time to get a new one. I definitely run mine at least a few hours every single day. I've had it for an entire year. You can see all the dust and dander that is stuck in there. There's been the forest fires cleaning out the air. Also recently, I painted the house, and although I thought I waited enough days for it to be safe to not ruin my purifier, it definitely has a smell. So unfortunately, like, paint odors is never a thing you want to use with this. So if it starts picking up a smell that it was no longer intended to try to combat, it was time to get a new one. So it's super easy to replace. It has the little tabs here on the side that make it a little easier to pull it in and out. One of the things that was a little confusing to me is how many replacements you get. You get one replacement in this package. If you're like me and use your air purifier every single day, or it's just looking like it's time to get a new one, then if you already have your VEVA air purifier, then the easiest replacement is to get their replacement for their air filters, but that's just my point of view.